Yep.
I got my peaches out in Georgia. Oh yeah. I get my weed from California. That's that.
What is up, location fans? It's your boy Natsert, aka location Tristan, and I'm going to play Jigty for once. Like, I played this game like many years ago, like 2014 to 2021. Yeah. Wait, I guess today is 2021. Gosh, I'm so funny.
You're funny too, cause you're a joke.
But I'm not a joke. Okay, so what? X. Okay, so whoa, they added the talking Tom in the puzzle. If you guys want to know, the developer of this game is the developer of My Talking Tom.
Of course.
Yep. Okay, so still not done. My Talking Hank, Bubble Mania, Gold Run. Sample pack? Then who should I need to choose? Hank! Okay, so what in the world? What? 9. Oh, wait. Okay, so I'll be right back. I'm gonna do something. Okay, so number of the pieces is 9 because I changed it to 4. And yep. Okay, I mean there's no music. Oh, okay. But oh, right there. Right there. Right there. Oh, right there. My gosh. There. Yep. Who's that guy? With the little pony.
I know you love to cut a rug, so how about we mess up a cave floor?
Okay. Clean all this mess. Cause I don't know what to choose because I'm still disappointed. 16 seconds. That's super easy.
That was easy.
Okay, so why there's an elephant there? Okay, because if there's an elephant there, he sounds like a SpongeBob.
Wait, that sounds like SpongeBob.
Okay, made it. Oh yeah, baby. Okay, 22 seconds. No, I'm too late. I'm gonna do this. Oh. This game is super easy, you know. They give us hints. They give us everything. Yeah. Right there. Oh, yeah. 20 seconds. Okay. Alright. So, what the heck? Oh my, what the? What is wrong with this? Huh? Because next time I'm gonna throw someone's baby. Just kidding. Don't you ever throw your baby.
Mom, you're so mean! You thrown me!
Okay, I did it. Okay. What the? He's sleeping in the basket? Shit. Okay, I'm doing this. 17 seconds. Okay. Who's that bear?
I don't even know.
Okay. Go in here, 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 right there, right there, right there, right there, right there. Oh yeah. Like, I realized all the things in the puzzle right there, not because of you guys, because I've been working from any games. Yeah, like literally. Okay, so yeah, as far as I can do everything from you guys, I wish that you just do all things so it can be, you know, like anything. But okay, so this is the last one. We're gonna do some more because there's a lot of puzzle that I need to do. Okay, sorry. The dog's disturbing because they are like, why are you making a noise in there?
Well, too stinking bad! You have other choices for content!
Okay, so go in there. There. I literally need to go to California right now.
California!
Okay, so I need to watch an ad on the video pack. Oh, Bubble Mania. Whoa. That's a cannon?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Whoa. You're flying in there? Okay. Oh wait. Okay. Oh, this way. This way. Okay. Right there. Right there. Right there. Okay. Alright, so right there. What? No! It's right there! Look! Look at the size of it. Look at the hints. It's right there. Oh, come on. Why is it not? Okay. Warning. If you want to know what's wrong with me, it's really abusive, you know? Something is wrong with my brain. This is just a game. So there's also something wrong with these people's brains. Alright, so right there. Right there. What? What do you mean? Oh, right there? What? Where? Where am I gonna put it? I don't know what the... What? How?
I don't know what the...
Okay. You can't do anything from your things and the... Okay. So... There. 59 seconds. It's not even fair. Something is wrong with my brain. I am the Tristan, the doofy distracted gamer, doofy distracted drummer, vlogger, YouTuber, everything.
You're so dumb!
Okay. Bubble shooter. Oh wait. I think Outfit 7 did the game on it.
Of course!
Okay, so what? Oh, right there. Okay. Alright, so you turn into a pirate. Okay, there. Oh, what the? There. Okay, over there. Right there, and right there. Okay, so I literally need to do something, you know. I have something to say that I am selfish.
Nights alone that we miss more.
This one. Okay, so I don't know what to say here because someone is in Africa right now.
I bless the rains down in Africa.
Okay, so alright. Right there. Okay, so we already got this level at all. Okay, this will be the last one. Okay. Alright. What? Right there. Okay, right there. Because in tomorrow night I will shoot you in the shotgun. Okay. This will be the shortest video. Well, not really. I have something to say, but I know this game is good, you know, not because I already played before. I already did all the hard work. I already did all the things. Like literally. Like if you do all the things in here, like doing all the stuff, I can't do that, you know. I can't try to do anything just because you are so good for smashing up your computer. Not that kind. Okay, so you guys are so good at doing anything on your content, and actually all of your subscribers, congrats for that. And I'm watching Fiji not because he has 19 million subscribers, and yep, and they have a lot of billion, like right there, look, they have 19 billion. And I've been a fan of him, and I'm doing all of him as a cool gamer, and I'm doing everything from all of the drummers here, not because they have a lot of subscribers, like literally. Yeah, that's true. And for all of your support, and I hope you enjoy. And I know it's going to be June tomorrow. Well, okay. But today is actually May 31 on the date. Okay, but I have anything for you, do everything. I can have a new Piggy Booktube video coming soon. All the things, all the progress, all the studios, all of the things that I do from my second channel is doing good and doing fun, and yeah. And also I have an 11,000 views and more from my drumming channel called Tristan Lansangan. I hope you subscribe to it so we can get a 250 subscribers real quickly, and still have 7 subscribers on my second channel, and I don't know what to say. But anyway, I know that I've been doing anything for my family, but good thing that we are healthy, not because of social distance. Well, not really. Anyway, I did all of the fun for my family, like trying to help me do some drum videos. Yeah. But anyway, that's it for those talks. I know it's really a good news, but if you want to see me do some more drum covers, let me know in the comments. If you want to stay in schedule, and let me know if I need to do the gaming video either. Okay, so we will see you guys later. I know I will be proud of you, and I wish all my friends too, and all of my friends. Yep. Anyway, My mom's singing. I don't know. But thank you so much for watching. And peace out. Location on my videos.
We've traveled the seas, we've ridden the stars, we've seen it.